A little boy named Leo always dreamed of finding a magical rainbow. One day, he found one shining brightly in the sky. At its end, his imaginary friends were waiting to play. They played tag and hide and seek, filling the air with laughter. The friends ran through fields of flowers, their joy echoing. Leo felt happier than he ever had before, surrounded by friendship.
This entire video was made by AI. No camera, no editing, no animation skills. If you've ever tried creating long videos for YouTube, you already know the pain. Writing scripts, finding visuals, creating characters, editing scenes, adding voiceovers. It's time-consuming, overwhelming, and most people burn out before they even upload. But here's the crazy part. AI story channels, kids story channels, and faceless YouTube videos are still pulling in hundreds of thousands, even millions of views every single month. And most people assume videos like these are hard to make. What if I told you that you can create 30 to 50-minute videos with consistent characters and scenes from just one simple prompt using one AI tool? That tool is called MagicLight. I've tested a lot of AI video generators, and this one genuinely surprised me. MagicLight doesn't just create short clips, it builds full YouTube-ready videos, scripts, characters, scenes, voiceovers, and edits, all in one place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how MagicLight works, step by step. And make sure you watch till the end, because I'm giving away free MagicLight Pro accounts to a few viewers. You can also try MagicLight for free using the link in the description. Now let me show you how to create a full video with MagicLight, starting from just one idea. Welcome. Click the link in the description or the pinned comment to visit magiclight.ai. This is where we are going to create our magic today. Once you land on the website, you will see that it can create a wide variety of videos. You can generate everything from story to video, kids stories, music videos, and explainers, to character vlogs, AI agents, religious stories, and image to video. However, today our main focus is on story to video and kids stories. These types of videos are really blowing up on YouTube right now, and I would like my audience to start cashing out from them. The earlier you jump on this train, the better. When you arrive at the website, you can explore the other video generators it offers, but as I mentioned, we will focus on the story to video and kids story options. To start generating, simply click on Create right here. This brings you to an interface where you can select your aspect ratio and adjust other settings. Since I am creating a long-form video for YouTube, I will select Landscape. If you are creating for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or Facebook Reels, you can go for Portrait, which is the 9:16 aspect ratio. But for this case, I will stick to Landscape, which is the 16:9 aspect ratio. If you look here, we have options for Smart Script and Basic Script. With the Basic Script, you have to type in the story you want to create a video for. However, with the Smart Script, you just provide a very simple prompt and the AI handles everything. There's also one interesting feature I really want to introduce to you, the trending script. These are stories that are currently blowing up on YouTube, so you don't have to rack your brain or overthink anything. You simply select any of these stories that are already viral. You can actually use these trending scripts to create your own unique video. It's really amazing. So what I'm going to do is try one of these trending scripts. I'll browse through the kids category and select this one. Once you select the trending script you want to replicate, you simply have to click on Run Script. You can also watch the preview to see what the story entails, whether it's interesting to you or not. As you can see, this one has over 72.3 million trends, meaning it's really blowing up on YouTube right now. So I will simply click on Run Script, and the script will be automatically inserted for me. For the video language, I'm going to stick with English, but there are a lot of other languages you can select from. For the story model, you can select ChatGPT 4, ChatGPT 5, or Gemini 3. It depends on the kind of video you want to create, but I'm going to choose Gemini 3. For the model, you can use all models or select a specific one. I'm going for MagicLight 2.0. For the style, you can select from realistic, Disney, Pixar, animals, or handcrafted. I'm going to select 3D 2.0. For the duration, you can select auto, 3 to 5 minutes, up to 30 minutes, or choose a custom duration. I will select 3 to 5 minutes for this particular video and then click Next. MagicLight has now finished scripting our video, as you can see here, so I will go ahead and click Next. Now you can select your characters. As you can see, I have 4 characters in this particular video. The first one is a lion, so I will select the lion here and confirm. Then the black bullock, the brown bullock, and the white bullock. You can also create your own character if you want, but I don't need that right now. I will simply hit Next, and our storyboard will start generating. Let's give it a moment to see what we get. Okay, the storyboard is being generated. Some of them are done. Now all of them are done generating. These are all the images we have here. If you don't like a specific image, you can select it and regenerate it. However, I think everything looks cool, so I will click on Next. Before that, you can actually select your voiceover artist. I'll simply go ahead and click Next. I would like to animate all the images in this video, so I will click on Animate All. It automatically selects all the images I generated. I'll hit Next. The beauty of this tool is that it has a lot of models you can use to animate your images, such as MagicLight 1.0, High-Low, Kling, and Kling 2.1 Master. Depending on how you want it, I think MagicLight will do best for me, so I will select that, click Confirm, and confirm again. Now the images will start animating. Let's give it a moment to see how it turns out. All the scenes are done animating. Let's check it out. See how beautiful this looks? Let me check this one too. All right, let's go ahead and continue. If you check up here, you'll see cover settings, subtitle settings, and background music. You can select a cover image for your overall video. I think this one will be okay. With the cover settings, you can add a title if you want, but I don't want a title, so I will select No Title. For the subtitles, you can choose to have the text display at the bottom while the voiceover is narrating. Some people like having captions displayed, but I don't want that for this video. You can also add background music. You can preview a lot of them here. I think I like this one. You can also tune the volume. Let's say I want it to be 40%. 10% is too low, so let's go with 40%. It's already applied. Now what I have to do is click Generate. I'm going for the 16:9 aspect ratio and the highest resolution, which is 1080p. I'll click OK, and our video will be exported in no time. Let's give it a moment. All right, our video is done, so let's check it out.
Under the warm sun, 3 bullocks graze peacefully in a vibrant green field. A picture of serene harmony. The black bullock, the brown bullock, and the white bullock move in unison, a silent testament to their bond. Golden sunlight bathes the field, highlighting the gentle sway of the grass as the bullocks feed. A tranquil scene unfolds, the bullocks embodying a quiet, shared existence in nature's embrace. At the forest's edge, a powerful lion observes the bullocks. Hunger burns fiercely in the lion's eyes as it assesses its prey.
Now that this is done, I'm going to show you how to generate kids' stories with MagicLight. Before that, let me download the previous video onto my device. I'll come back to the home page of MagicLight AI. Initially, we selected Story to Video, but this time around, we're going to select Kids Story Video. So I click on Create, just like we did before. There are a whole lot of templates to choose from. First off, let me clear this. You can simply enter an original story with a main character and the AI will do the rest. Alternatively, you can browse through the categories like rainbow, glow, friends, imagination, song, wings, and destiny. Let's say I want to do imagination. You can also pick your style. The range includes realistic, 3D cartoon, Disney, Pixar, illustration, comic book, handcrafted, and picture book. I always like the 3D and Disney styles. Initially, we selected 3D, so for this one, let me select Disney and see how it turns out. The model is already selected as 2.2, so I will leave it on that. For the aspect ratio, just like before, you can select between 16 by 9 or 9 by 16. 9 by 16 is perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and YouTube Shorts. But for long-form YouTube videos, 16 by 9 is perfect. For the video duration, you can select from 1 minute up to 30 minutes, or choose a custom duration. I'm going to leave it at 1 minute. The fact that you can generate up to a 30-minute long video with just a single prompt shows how powerful this tool is. For the language, I'm going to stick with English. For the model, initially we selected Gemini 3, so for this, let me select ChatGPT 5 and see what we get. For the video model, it has options like High-Low, Kling, and MagicLight 2.1. For this, let me select Kling 2.1 Master. For the voiceover, you can choose from different artists. I think I'll go for Olivia. For the background music, you can select a track or turn it off if you don't want it. I think I will select a music track here. This one is okay. Now, I simply have to click on Generate Video, and as you can see, our video will start creating. Our kid's story is done generating. Let's preview it.
A little boy named Leo always dreamed of finding a magical rainbow. One day, he found one shining brightly in the sky. At its end, his imaginary friend...
This is nice. You can actually edit it by clicking on the Edit button here. When you click on Edit, you will see the storyboard where every scene is displayed. Of course, you can edit or regenerate any scene. If you preview a scene and you don't like it, you can regenerate it and animate it afterwards. But everything looks okay to me, so I will simply go ahead and download it. So yeah, that is how easy it is to generate videos with this amazing AI tool.
Before we jump into this awesome MagicLight promo, quick announcement. MagicLight is running its first global content creation contest. Submissions are open from January 12th to February 1. Winners are reviewed from February 2 to 10 and announced February 11 to 15. There's a massive $100,000 prize pool with cash prizes, MagicLight membership perks, and official exposure for winners. Check out the contest details right now.
MagicLight's first content creation contest, 100 grand? Enough!
You're fired!
You're fired!
You're fired!
You're fired. You're fired. You're fired.
You're hired.
Comment MagicLight to be picked. Thanks for watching.
A little boy named Leo always dreamed of finding a magical rainbow. One day, he found one shining brightly in the sky. At its end, His imaginary friends were waiting to play. They played tag and hide and seek, filling the air with laughter. The friends ran through fields of flowers, their joy echoing. Leo felt happier than he ever had before, surrounded by friendship. The sun began to set, painting the sky in warm colors. It was time to go home, so Leo waved goodbye to his friends. He smiled, knowing his wonderful friends would be waiting. They would be there for him after the next rain. Leo skipped home, his heart full of magical memories. He knew the rainbow and his friends would always be in his heart.